When trying to lose weight, breakfast can set the tone for the rest of your day. Eating the wrong foods can set you up for failure before the day even begins. On the other hand, filling up on the right foods can curb cravings and keep you feeling full, minimizing snacking and aiding in weight loss. Here are 10 healthy breakfast foods that can help you lose weight. 10. Bananas. Low in calories and high in fiber, bananas are a great alternative to sugary breakfast cereals. One medium banana has just over 100 calories, yet packs 3 grams of dietary fiber, knocking out up to 12% of your daily fiber needs in one shot. Fiber helps slow the emptying of your stomach to curb cravings and keep you feeling fuller longer. Multiple studies have shown that upping your intake of fruits and vegetables is associated with increased weight loss. Additionally, unripe bananas are a good source of resistant starch, a type of starch that your stomach and small intestine don't digest. Research suggests that resistant starch may help reduce food intake and decrease belly fat. Bananas can be enjoyed alone or sliced as a topping for yogurt, cottage cheese, or oatmeal. You can also add unripe, green bananas to your morning smoothie. 9. Berries. Berry varieties such as strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries are all low in calories and packed with essential nutrients. In addition to providing many important vitamins and minerals, berries are rich in fiber, which may reduce hunger and food intake. Studies show that eating berries may decrease calorie intake and aid in weight loss. Add berries to your morning smoothie, oatmeal, or yogurt to take advantage of their unique weight-busting benefits. 8. Eggs. Rich in protein and full of important vitamins and minerals, such as selenium and riboflavin, eggs are packed full of nutrition. Thanks to their high protein content, eggs may reduce appetite when eaten with breakfast and give weight loss a serious boost. Eating eggs for breakfast increases feelings of fullness and reduces food intake later in the day. From boiled to scrambled to sunny side up, there are many different ways to enjoy your eggs. Try cooking up 2 or 3 eggs any style, then add a serving of your favorite veggies, for a nutritious and delicious breakfast. 7. Nuts. Nuts provide the perfect balance of fiber, protein, and heart-healthy fats, making them a great addition to any breakfast. Nuts are very high in calories, so limit your intake to about 1 ounce at a time to keep the calories from stacking up. Mix a serving of nuts into yogurt, cottage cheese, or homemade granola to give your breakfast some added nutrition. 6. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a healthy and delicious breakfast option, especially if you're trying to lose weight. Oats are low in calories but high in fiber and protein, both of which impact appetite and weight control. Oats are an excellent source of beta-glucan, a type of fiber shown to impact everything from immune function to heart health. Research shows that beta-glucan can balance blood sugar levels and work to prevent spikes and crashes that may increase your appetite. Try combining 1 cup of cooked oatmeal with a 1/2 cup of berries, 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed, and a handful of almonds for a power-packed, high-fiber breakfast. 5. Green tea. Green tea has been studied extensively for its metabolism and fat-burning capacities. One study found that taking 3 capsules of green tea extract increased fat burning by 17% within just 30 minutes. Another study showed that green tea extract sped up metabolism and increased calorie burning over a 24-hour period. There are limitless ways to enjoy green tea in the morning. Try adding a squeeze of lemon or drizzling a bit of honey in your tea to add a tasty twist. 4. Coffee. Studies have shown that your morning cup of joe could bring big weight loss benefits. Because of its caffeine content, coffee may aid in weight loss by boosting metabolism and fat burning. While coffee may not make a balanced breakfast all on its own, you can pair it with your favorite healthy breakfast foods to give your morning meal an upgrade. Just make sure not to overdo the sugar or creamer, as they add calories and negate some of coffee's potential health-promoting properties. 3. Smoothies. Not only are smoothies a quick, easy and delicious way to obtain a concentrated dose of nutrients, smoothies are a convenient breakfast item that can accelerate weight loss. Since you can customize your ingredients, you can tailor your drink to fit your personal preferences. Filling your smoothies with veggies and low-calorie fruits can boost fiber intake to help you feel fuller longer. Throw in some high-protein ingredients like nuts, seeds, or protein powder to promote feelings of fullness and fight off cravings. However, keep in mind that smoothies can quickly turn into calorie bombs if you overdo the high-calorie ingredients. For an easy weight loss smoothie, blend 1 cup of milk with a handful of leafy greens, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, and 1 cup of strawberries. Enjoy your smoothie throughout the morning to resist snacking and fight cravings. 2. Yogurt. Creamy, delicious, and satisfying, yogurt makes an excellent addition to a weight loss diet. Greek yogurt delivers a hearty chunk of protein in every serving, making it an ideal weight loss breakfast food. Try combining 1 cup of Greek yogurt with some mixed fruit, chia seeds, or wheat germ for an extremely nutritious breakfast. 1. Grapefruit. Grapefruit are a popular component of many diets and weight loss programs, and for good reason. Besides being low in calories, grapefruit has a high water and fiber content, both of which can be beneficial for weight loss. Fresh grapefruit slices make a great addition to a well-rounded breakfast. You can also add grapefruit to parfaits, smoothies, or fruit salads. However, if you are taking any medications, make sure to consult your doctor or pharmacist before eating grapefruit. Certain drugs may interact with grapefruit, potentially causing some adverse effects. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching Top Shelf Health.